trusting you. He is trusting you, right? You will get a best results and everything, and but your state also, current state also 3 years, right? So he is really unhappy about that. And even though your other students also, your colleagues also, right? When they speak about Akil, when he heard their results, he was terribly upset. And now we are having such kind of the different, I said, which I am going to implement, the online day I want to make them to study is one thing. Another thing is, which is the action plan is delivered by Shagat sir and the BP Academic, that is Minshak ma'am. They have decided to do the fortnight assessment. It's like an assignment. You have to write and give the answers, that is which is compulsory what we are studying in even week, that every week, right? So actually we will give on Friday the question, that assessment. Okay, I will open the channel for that, right? The different channel for that. So what you want to do is, you have to attempt the question. That is not online. You have to take printout for that question and you have to start write the answer, and you all supposed to come and submit the answer on Saturday or Sunday. Did you understand? Okay, so that is the deadline, guys. Okay, again and again I'm telling, just keep in your mind. So that is the deadline. So those who are not submitting the answers, so the action will be taken by the principal sir and the section head. Did you understand? So what I'm telling is, I said this such kind of thing that I'm going to implement, sir. That is every Thursday I want to ask like a questions, like a Viva sessions or whatever it is, make them to study. We need productive results. They are expecting 3 years, but now our situation is at least we need 3 years. Very bad situation, right? We can't answer though, and your parents and management will think we are not doing. So ultimately, what is happening is you all are losing your results and we are not productive. We are not teaching. We are not that much standard. So we also getting that blame. So think about that, guys. Okay, this term, though it is online, so sometimes we are not really happy with online. This time they have stopped every online question and answer. I don't know. Even the monthly and exam, I don't know how they're going to be done. That should be online question, which you send, which you should send us. I should ask from sir, right? So every month, not this May, okay, inshallah, definitely June mid I will give a term exam, right? Sorry, monthly end exam. So likewise, we know, so whatever thing is, we are making you all to study, you should study. Did you all understand? Clear the statement? And the submission, those who are not submission, all submission, we are giving the marks, right? All submission giving the marks. So once I complete the syllabus, the full time you will be have the questions, quizzes. So this is what last time also we done, right? Something had gone worse. Another thing is I'm going to prepare the self-learning mode each and every that your last term session. So inshallah, so okay, so one by one every day we will make and along with the question. So so we will have the YouTube channel that is that will be handled by the Shahid sir. So the link will be shared, right? So you can, whenever you need that notes, each and continuously one by one session, definitely we will do. You can go through that notes also. Whatever I taught you at school. So futuristic, the 2023, they will be based on only the self-learning system. Along with the video, with our voice recording, the presentation, question paper, and finally the all together, right? You will get a past paper set of the past paper question, right? So this is what our ultimate target. So thing is what we are implementing different thing things, right? However, we want to make you all to study. So every day I'm starting with the good advice, guys. Though you accept it, and if you heard, just put it in your mind only. Definitely, you can do your best thing, right? So inshallah, I will share it. If I forgot, Shahid, please keep remind me, right? I will share it after finish your session. Okay. So yesterday, can you recap what we studied? Yes. Do you can you remember?
The uniqueness of carbon
Yes.
and
Yes. Just an introduction how the inorganic chemistry is the important to your day-to-day life and the uniqueness of carbon. Why the carbon molecule? Yeah, when we are speaking about the organic molecule, carbon containing molecule, that is your structure, the skeleton, the backbone, we are considered as an organic molecule. The dominant, predominant compound, the bonds are, that is the CC bond, single bond, or CH bond, right? So rather than that, you can incorporate the phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, and the halogens. According to that, they will get the different functional groups name. Yesterday we studied the diversity of what the hydrocarbons. Those who are having only the carbon and hydrogen, right? Can you all remember? So can you say that diversity until now I just kept, right? So what is the hydrocarbon? Having only carbon and hydrogen. Okay, so what is that? According to that, you can divide into one is aromatic carbon, hydrocarbon. Another one is the
aliphatic.
aliphatic carbon. What is called the aromatic hydrocarbon? What is that example? Yesterday we studied, you should not forget it. Yes.
Bens
Yeah, that is a benzene having the 6 carbon, which is in the cyclic process, right? So we are telling what that benzene have the electron cloud, that is the delocalization, right? We will study that is detailing later. What is called the aliphatic carbon? It's an open chain. According to that open chain, you can deviate, differentiate into two. So one is what? Yes, yes,
uh, acyclic and cyclic.
yeah, acyclic and the cyclic. The cyclic seems to be similar like your benzene, but not that is actually benzene. Benzene have the double bond, but this is what you will have such kind. So when you go for the acyclic, that is the linear or branched one, you can go for the alkane, alkene, alkyne. So this is the normal diversity of the hydrocarbon, right? And we yesterday we just go through the each and every different functional group. When you incorporate the oxygen, any other atoms, right? Whatever the sulfur, nitrogen, among them, right? So you will get the different names of the functional group. I just yesterday we had a tabulation. We just go through that one, and I need definitely, inshallah, this Thursday I will keep some the direct viva question. You should not be with your book or whatever the notes you need. So before you come on Thursday, guys, you should study and come. You have the Saturday, Sundays, right? So whatever it is, you whenever. So this day, what we are studying, study on that day, same day, right? So that will. So finally, you can recall it very easily rather than what nowadays we are just forgetting everything. So for our age we are forgetting. For your age, definitely you all can study well and by heart yourself and keep in your mind. Should not forget it. Why? So again and again, one thing you should understand, another thing you should by heart, right? Okay, so this is for hydrocarbon, and next we will go for what, the classes of compounds with the functional group where you are having the hydrocarbons. I said when you incorporate other atoms, you will get the different name of the functional group. The first one is alcohols. Can you remember what is called alcohol?
What means?
What is mean by alcohol? Yesterday I discussed. Can you remember? Any word about alcohol? What?
Alpatari.
Sorry.
Means I didn't hear properly. I didn't get.
Yesterday we studied about alcohol. Can you say
Ah,
any word about the alcohol? What is their structure? How it's arranged? Is what is the major functional group is present there?
OH.
Yeah, very good, right? So alcohol is a compound which is containing the hydroxyl group, right? Attached to the alkyl group. You can see the alkyl group I said. What is that alkyl group? Can be CH3, CH2, CH3. So the common name we are telling the R. Yesterday I talked about that. Something happens, no? Spotlight is on. Okay, right? So according to that, we clearly studied about that alcohol. Major one. So look at here clearly, right? That's why yesterday I just go through the tabulation without giving clear explanation one by one, because today we can do. So once you go through, you have a rough idea about that, right? You have a rough idea about that, what are the different functional groups. Now it should be easy for me, right? So what they are telling is alcohol is which is having the hydroxyl group, right? OH group attached to the alkyl group. So the simple alcohol is alkyl group. So who is this? CH3, right? Plus, which is attached with your hydroxyl group. What is this name? I will teach you. Meth. Yes. Yes.
Wait, I'll leave and come. I can't. My whiteboard screen is small. I can't pin that one.
Didn't I stop sharing?
No.
Now it should be big.
Now okay.
You should tell me no. I forgot to stop sharing. La la. Now okay, right? You
Yeah.
should tell me. Okay, I forgot. I just leave your screen and I'm just teaching by looking that one. I'm sorry. Okay. So this is what again I'm telling what is called the alcohols having the OH hydroxide group which is attached to your alkyl group. The common alkyl group we are calling R, right? So according to that, this is the simple alcohol. Wherever you see the OH group, definitely you can say that is alcohol, right? So this is the simple one. This group what we are telling is alkyl group, alkyl, and this is what your hydroxyl. So altogether we are telling what is this alcohol, right? This is simplest one. So you have seen this OH at terminal, but not every time it should be terminal. The carbon, the long chain, whenever you see OH, that is also alcohol. Look at here. If you have more carbon, right? Having alcohol anywhere, why? Because alcohol need only one bond, right? So you should be very careful how I am drawing this carbon. The carbon should have the four bonds, right? So when you connected with carbon or another bond, count it and rest part definitely should be what? Hydrogen. This is the simple way to draw what? I already taught you all, right? Can you all remember how to write this molecule? So now, look at here. This is what the compound, even though you can write it CH3 COH, H, CH2, CH3. You can write like this also. A simple manner. Did you understand how I wrote this one? Did you understand? If not, I will teach
Yes,
you.
Miss.
Thank you. Right, you should be very careful about that. From the beginning, we are studying about the bonds of the carbon, hybridization, how to write the molecules and everything. So you should be very careful about that. Whenever you draw any compound, look at that carbon should have the 4 bond maximum, right? Minimum also there is, whatever it is, it should have the 4 bond. That is our concept. If it is having the double bond, you should have only the 2 hydrogen. This is the concept. You should be clear about that, right? And next we will step on to what? Ether. Can you remember yesterday I told about the ethers? Yes? Guys,
Yeah.
when Shaheen,
Yeah.
when I, yeah. Can you say anything?
Like CH3O or something.
CH3O. Is it a double bond or single bond?
Double bond.
So those two things are you should be clear about that. If it is having the double bond, that should be ketone. Esters. Don't confuse with the esters and ethers. This is ether. So when I said R, right? R means what? R means what, Shaheen?
CH3.
Not CH3, alkyl group, right? It could be either CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. It should be right. It's dependent.
Is
So
which
when I
group?
mention,
Alkyne.
sorry, yeah, that is called alkyl. The R, when we said R, it says alkyl group, right? So ether is the oxygen is containing the 2 sides, right? Should be very careful about that. The oxygen is attached with 2 alkyl group. This is R1, this is R2. That is called ethers. Are you clear? It could be either CH3 or CH3 or CH2, CH3, just CH3. So whatever. The concept is the oxygen is attached with 2 alkyl group. So in between you can see the oxygen, that is called ethers. Did you understand?
Means R can take anything, no? Not only CH3, no?
No. Anything.
Ah.
Anything. It should be bulkiest group. You should think about that number of carbon, different number of carbon. The simple is 3CH3. Right? Okay. Even though it can be benzene. R can be benzene also. Understood? So, which is the example, the notes I will going to be shared. You have more than 3 examples. So, just keep just keep writing those example. Why I'm telling is when you get confused, right? Sometimes you might write. At the point the example will be clearly. By looking the example only, you can understand the notes. So this, there is having the 3 more examples. So it doesn't matter. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, thank you. So next one, aldehyde. Yes. Can you say anything about the aldehyde? Yes. Aldehyde. Can you remember anything yesterday I taught?
Contains
Mm.
OH because there is hide in that.
Wait. And
Aldi
C double O bondage. You are telling like that.
no me.
Are you? Oh yeah.
Aldehyde means a bond which contains OH and other component.
Only OH.
Not only
Only
OH, like OH and OH RCO.
RCO. RCOH.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, right. So what you said is somewhat is right. Okay. Aldehyde are compounds containing carbonyl group. So when we said carbonyl group, so these words you should by heart. Carbonyl group means CO bond. C double bond O group. Attached to the hydrogen atoms that is called okay, right. So when we said the carbonyl group, you should know the carbon double bond O. So we used to say that word, you should be familiar with what is alkyl, what is carbonyl. Until now we had studied the different kind of the group names. One is alkyl, another one is carbonyl, so next one is the hydroxyl. This is another one. The newest one is that is carbonyl group. Where the carbonyl group is attached with the hydrogen, such compound we are calling what? Aldehyde. So the simple one you can say is CH3 COOH. So this is what we are telling is acetaldehyde. Is it clear? The structure, molecule, it should be clear. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, keep study at home, then you will be clear
So
about
miss,
that. Yes.
like questions will come like draw the
No, man. Don't expect such kind of thing. If you know this basic thing only, you can do the further question. When they said the aldehyde, how would you find it? They are not going to ask you, find the aldehyde from among this group. No. They will give the compound, they will give the reaction. You should find whether the observation, like your inorganic, they are also kind of the observation, reaction, white color precipitation, colorful solution. There are so many things, right? Like your inorganic chemistry. So you should know which kind of the function. This is the functional group, COH. Which kind of the functional group? According to that functional group, how it's reacting. For that sake, first you should know what is that functional group. Even for the IUPAC name, you should know the functional group, then only you can name it. Otherwise, you could not. Did you understand?
yes, miss.
Okay? And don't expect like your O level notes. They will ask what is the alcohol group. They will say the alcohol which is reacting like this. They will say what ethanol, methanol. Just giving by name, you should able to write the what? The molecule. Okay, keep remember, now you are at A level, not in all. Even though the question that you are asking like the grade 7, 8 students. Right? Okay? Should be very careful, right? So next we studied aldehyde. What about the ketone? Yes. Yes. Ketone. Anything? The aldehyde ketone is always coming together, right? So when you're studying the oxygen containing compound, the carbonyl group containing the aldehyde and ketone we are studying we used to study together, then only we can differentiate it easily. The structure of the ketone is
OR1 and R2.
yeah, right. That is OR1 and R2. What is mean by that? Here, the carbonyl group, the CO bond, which is attached with two alkyl or aryl group. What is called alkyl or aryl group? You know alkyl, right? You know alkyl. That is, I said the CH2, CH3, something, CH2, CH3. That is open chain. The aryl means your benzene. Either this could be combined with this is aryl, this is alcohol. Even though this is what? Ketone. Should be very careful about that. The ketones means can be, right? The carbonyl group can be combined with alkyl or aryl group. Are you clear?
Is alkyl not the other one?
Aryl, A-R-Y-L, aryl. That is aryl group. We are telling, think aromatic carbon, benzene. For that sake, we are calling as aryl. Just keep remember like that. Did you understand?
Means is there a reason why ORA ending with YL, alkyl,
We
aryl?
will come. That is IUPAC system.
Ah.
After this, we are going to study the IUPAC. Then you will be clear. Okay? Right? That is the naming system. We will study. Okay? So next one, alkyl halides. Yes. Anything about the alkyl halides? From the word, you can say. Yes.
Containing this halogens.
Containing halogens, yes. So that is from with what? Yeah, very good morning. What is the time now? It's Zain Ukasha. Slept?
Madam, class starting at 9:15, no?
8 o'clock. Oh, you all 8 to 9:30. Others had the 9:45 to 11:50. Yesterday I said right. Yesterday also I informed. The timetable also circulated. Why you slept? Okay, I have started, Zain, you have video. Please switch on your desktop. You will get definitely that video. Inshallah, I will ask whether they can upload this also into the YouTube channel. I will ask about that sir, right? This is what sir has a different kind of the idea about to upload these videos. Okay, we will see. You just go through the video. That is the introduction of the different functional group. I'm just teaching one by one to understand this. And study and come, inshallah, Monday. We are going to keep doing the nomenclature. When I ask what is aldehyde, what is the alcohol, please don't know, Madam Kayla, don't tell me. Right? I strictly ordered you. You should study and come this Saturday and Sunday.
When, madam?
Monday.
Thursday, no?
Thursday time. While I'm teaching, okay, I will ask such kind of the questions. You should able to answer for
Oh.
that. Then only you can do the IUPAC nomenclature. Right? Okay. So next is the alkyl halide. From the word we can say where the alkyl group is attached with your halogens. Right. So it could be either, sorry, CH3Cl, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2I, or whatever. Halogen means what? Chlorine, bromine, iodine. One of these. So if it is containing benzene,
Which fluorine won't come?
no, fluorine is not making what bond. We are not talking because it's a very highly negativity. So if anywhere, so it's also given when we are talking about the halogens, only the chlorine, bromine, iodine is okay. So you can hear that okay, if you have the benzene ring with your halogen group, what should be the name? Just now we studied. Shaheen, if you are having the alkyl group attached with your halides group, we are telling the alkyl halides. If the benzene ring attached with the alkyl group, what is the name that we are giving for benzene? Just now we studied. Yeah, Shaheen. Yes. Yes. Forgot.
Ketone. Ketone.
Under ketone, for benzene group like alkyl, okay, we gave a name, new name.
Ah, eh,
Aryl.
aryl.
So this is we are calling aryl halides.
Miss,
Is it
what was the
clear?
other thing? I'll
Halides.
no, miss. Aryl had another
Alkyl.
name.
Alkyl. What are you asking? I didn't understand.
No, miss. There was another name for aryl, no?
No, that is what aromatic compound, benzene. When you have the benzene anywhere, right, combination, under what ketone we studied, it could be alkyl or halide. When you have the benzene ring along with your X group, so we are telling that is aryl halides. There is no other name, right? Clear? Okay.
Yeah, miss.
Shall I go for next?
Okay.
Okay. So can you give me a second? I want to inject injection to my father. So what you want to do is leave 2 pages for that table, right? 2 pages in your CR book. It should be very clear. So leave the full 2 pages or 1/2 pages and start to write these notes. Until I join, you just write these notes. I will give injection and let me to join with you all. Right, for this thing, right, for this tabulation, I will share with you all. This much you have.
Miss, through WhatsApp or in this one?
I will send through WhatsApp, right?
Ah,
So
okay.
even though I will create a organic chemistry, this thing, if I can, I will upload there also. It doesn't matter. We'll see. Okay, this one, leave the place for this. I think at least 1/3. Leave 2 pages, right? Please draw it very clearly and give some space. Definitely, I want to tell Shahi. Shahi won't lose the space, right? Just draw a little
Okay.
bit bigger, right? Leave 2 pages for this, and that is for okay. Altogether, 1/2 2 pages is enough, right? This tabulation, this diversity. So one is for this, right? You have to leave the place. Another one. So altogether 2, 2, hotter should be there. Leave the place, right? It's according to yourself. Otherwise, you have to pay something. Guys, okay. Is it clear? Yes. Please start to write as the classes of compounds, alcohols, and please start to write the notes. I'll be joined. Right? After give that medicine quickly, 5 minutes. I want to check the blood and also I have to give the insulin to my father. Give me a second. Until that, please write these notes, right? Don't waste the time. Don't take the screenshot and just keep away. You have to write the answer. Notes, right?
You sent in WhatsApp? You sent? Did you send in WhatsApp?
No, now I shared, right? No, still I didn't send that one. Leave the place. You now I shared. Until I come, please write these things. Did you all understand?
Okay.
Leave the place at least 2 pages, or least one is 2 pages, best one is 2 quarter pages, right? Leave and start to write these notes. This is this heading, subheading, classes of compounds with functional group containing the heteroatoms. According to that, we studied one by one and write the notes. No need to put these numbers. This is one by one. What
Miss, today school is open to pay school fees.
management is open, right?
And today, can I go and pay the school fees?
You can, I think so. Today you can, after lockdown you can't. Right? So what I highlighted, don't write the numbers. So they are saying that examples, some examples are given below. Say like that. Don't say this figure 1.3, figure 1. Don't write like that. Navaran, just write like that. I'll be joined, okay? Right, I will come now. Just write. Finish writing.
Miss can't see the Greek screen name.
Shared one? Bigger screen, I will share. Yeah, okay guys, I will send these notes. Okay, continuation of notes. Write at home. And thanks for your valuable time that you all given to me. Right, give me a second. I'll stop sharing. Okay. Now you can see your board. Right? Okay. This studies alcohol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, alkyl halides, and next one is carboxylic acid. Can you remember what is the major group of the carboxylic acid? Yesterday I just prescribed about that acid. Any idea? Sorry.
Acid containing carbon.
When we said the carboxylic acid is a common group, right? Having COOH. That is what the carboxylic acid. My hand is wet. That is called carboxylic acid. So it could be right if it is if you have, we are not talking that is attached with alkyl. It can be attached with the hydrogen also. This is we call as formaldehyde, right? Sorry, formic acid, right? So if you have got the alkyl group CH3, COOH, yes, that is acetic acid. Acetic acid. If you have the benzene aryl group attached with COOH, that is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid, acetic acid, formic acid. So what we are telling is what is called the carboxylic acid is having the carboxylic acid group, that is COOH, that such groups we are calling the carboxylic acid. It could be either attached with hydrogen, alkyl group, or aryl group. If it is attached with the hydrogen, we are telling it is formic acid. If it is an alkyl group like this, we are telling the acetic acid, and this is what the benzoic acid. We will study the naming system later. Did you all understand? Zain? Clear?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, Zain from Delhi. Just now joined. Yeah, Zain, are you clear?
Yeah.
Number study at home. Again and again I'm telling, right? Please study at home. Next. Okay, thank you. So these three groups we are speaking together while just only one atoms are changing, right? So we are speaking about acid halides, esters, amides. The common name for these three is carboxylic acid derivatives. So from this name, you should be able to understand, yes, it should have the COO band rather than having the different kind of the structure. Right, we will go one by one. Your first one is acid halides. Yes. This is your structure of carboxylic acid, right? Acid halide means you are having this acid, but this is replaced by, and you will end up with COX. The X could be either Cl, iodine, bromine. So the acid halide is, right? Having the carbonyl group along with your halides, that could be either chlorine, bromine, iodine. This is what we are called acid halides. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? So the great example is acetyl chloride, right? Which is combined with what, any group. Example. Did you all understand? COCl. This is your functional group. Sorry?
From where did it CH come?
This is attached with the alkyl group or whatever, any group, alkyl or hydrogen or aryl, whatever. This is only the functional group that I am talking, acid halides. Why we are telling is carboxylic acid, we just talk about what, having the COOH groups along with any either hydrogen, aryl, benzene or alkyl. We said like that, right? So this is also carboxylic acid derivatives. This is your COX, the COCl. Can be combined with CH3, hydrogen, benzene, anything. Could be either. Did you understand? Did you understand? Okay, did you all understand?
Yes.
Say, okay.
Yeah.
So, thank you. Right, so that is what is acid halides. And next is esters. Esters, right? Keep reminding, there should be CO bond. The ester is coming with OR. R is belongs to what? Alkyl group. And it could be combined with alkyl, aryl or hydrogen. And from this group you can find what, if you have such kind of this group, that is we are telling esters. So that is ethyl acetate, you are having the CH group this side. I said alkyl, aryl or hydrogen can be there, which is combined with your COO. This is R for alkyl group. You can write any other alkyl group, CH2, CH3. Did you understand? So here you should be very careful about that. The oxygen is combined with your carbonyl group as well as your alkyl group. But ether is the oxygen attached with two alkyl group. Can you find the difference between that? Did you understand? Did you all understand? Yes?
Yes, miss. And how to buy heart all this? How many names are there? I can't even remember.
Only 8 names are here. By heart means if you keep practicing with that. Okay. Sorry. It doesn't mean that you won't by heart it. If you keep doing with that particular compound, each and every compound and reaction we are going to by heart. Sorry, we are going to study one by one. If you by heart these names, how can you going to by heart those reaction and mechanisms? think positively, you all definitely can. Right? So don't think this is hard. If you think this is the extreme hard, you can't do the extreme thing. Did you all understand? Yes?
Yeah, miss.
Definitely you all can, guys. Okay, so Monday you should be very careful about this, at least these 8 groups. This is what we are going to study. Unit 8, 9, 10. Even though 7 is just having your EPS names and isomerism. After that it will be finished. So next week we have to complete this unit 7, but there is only 7 groups. Only next week we are having only 3 days, right? Okay, we'll see. Okay. Did you understand? Shall I move to the next one, amides?
Yeah, madam.
Thank you. So next your amides, right? The same thing where CO bond having the NH2. That is called, it is combined with either alkyl, aryl or hydrogen. So the simple example is CH3 CONH. Did you all understand? If you understand thing, I will teach you the quick connection among these. Did you all understand this one? Clear? Okay. Am
Miss,
I?
AMI,
Yes.
as
Am
usual, it contains only NH2.
NH2. I will come for that part. You understood, right? So this is what the common name we are calling the carboxylic acid derivatives. That means what? This name came from what? From the carboxylic acid. So shall we write the structure of the carboxylic acid? COOH. Keep remember, right? When you come for acid halides, this OH group is replacing by your X. So you are ending with COX. X could be halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay? Right? Understood?
Yes, miss.
Next, esters. Again, carboxylic acid. You are having the CO bond, right? The OH is replaced by OR group. That is what esters. Are you all clear? Clear. Yes?
Yeah, miss. Miss, but okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
If you have amides, again OH group. Now say the OH group replaced by what?
NO.
NH2 group. So you will end up with CuNH2. Is it easy now? Acetyl
Yes.
ester amides. Clear? And next, we are going to study amines. From the name, you should be understand what is called amines.
Ammonia.
Yes.
NH3.
Yeah, your NH3, this is your bond formation, right? With the lone pair, we are not mentioning here, right? Your ammonia, here the one H is replaced by alkyl group or aryl group. So it should be, if it is alkyl group, you can use the CH2, NH2. So what is the difference between the amines and amides? Amides containing the carbonyl group, amines don't have any carbonyl group, CH2, NH2. It could be either benzene. We are calling that is aniline. It could be either like this, CH2, CH3, whatever, CH2. We will study amines, that is your unit. Are you all clear? Yes? Any doubts can ask. Yeah?
Miss.
Yes.
CH2 NH2. Then what is the other last one? Miss CH2 NH CH2 CH.
The name is ethyl methyl amine. Look at here, not only H2, right? Your another hydrogen also, this is one hydrogen replaced by one aryl group. Your another hydrogen also can be replaced by another RO, another aryl group. Until this, we are studying primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines. If you have the two hydrogen, we are telling with your alkyl group, we are telling that is primary amine. If you are having the one hydrogen, we are telling that is secondary. There is no hydrogen, we are telling the tertiary. This is what your tertiary is NCH3, CH3, CH3. Either your all hydrogen, one or two or three hydrogen can be replaced by alkyl or aryl group. Such amines such compound is called as amines. Did you understand now? So we will study detail here about this arrangement, but whenever you see without CO bond, the nitrogen containing compounds are under organic chemistry, it's called as amines. If you have the carbonyl group, that is amines. Did you all understand?
One is amine, other one is
Amides.
huh?
Amides.
Amide.
Can say amides or amides. Wait. Later.
అంటే இந்த பென் டிரைவ் வச்சுக்கொண்டு அந்த லேப்டாப்ல போடுறீங்களா?
நீங்க கஷ்டப்படல உங்களுக்கு they are telling that is amides, right? This is amides, that is amides, right? Okay. AMIDES. Amides is what? Having the carbonyl group along with the alkyl group, right? Alkylo hydrogeno aryl group. That is amides. If you have the amides, Baba, don't take. Means what? Having the nitrogen group, there is no any carbonyl group, right? Along with any substitution of the alkyl aryl or hydrogen group, that we are telling what? Amides. Did you all understand now? Baba, go. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Good, madam. Good. Fine, fine.
Thank you. Okay. Next, we are going to study IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. We are having 5 minutes more. Guys, I will share the notes of whatever the today's done session notes, and this is not written by me. Alkane nomenclature of the branch chain alkanes. Yeah, I have written the notes. Okay. I will write the notes and send you all, guys. The IUPAC nomenclature also. You just write and come. I will discuss and we will start to do the question. Yeah, I will check and I will just send you all. This Saturday, Sunday, complete your all notes, okay, and study and come. Because just start, I can't finish it. Today we had done only this thing. Oh my goodness. Okay. We'll start the IUPAC, and what the thing is, I will send the notes, you write and come. Then we can do the questions at class. There are 4-5 examples are there each and everywhere. You just whatever I given, you just write and come. I will teach you one by one. Okay? Okay. Clear, guys? My nose how?
Yes, miss.
Oh, I will prepare the presentation. Whatever I can do, I will prepare and I'll send you. Okay? That is, could we come on, not today. Today I will send you this yesterday's notes and today's notes. Maybe either Saturday or Sunday. Saturday, inshallah, definitely I will try to send it right. Then only you can write. Okay, I will send you one. Okay, guys, you can leave. We can meet on Monday. Monday and Tuesday, I have to finish. We'll see. Okay, we'll see. Okay. Right. See you guys. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum salam.
Take care. Bye.
Walaikum salam.
Allah Bye.
Bye, madam.
Bye bye.